this is the episode called. What's the name of this?
Grating.
Grating the ginger. I know what a ginger is, but it's apparently some kind of root, like in Harry Potter. So, you're gonna take the root and you're gonna put it next to this metallic element. And apparently they told me how to put it up and down. What? I'm gonna hurt myself with this. Okay. Yeah, I go on. No one cares about my well-being. Oh. I need a break. Okay. Have to go again. How do I know when to stop and not get my fingers chopped off? Okay, so you in your house, be careful. You don't want to hurt yourself. These dangerous tasks require expertise. Do you have to chop all of it to grind or whatever?
Not all of it. We need like a tablespoon. You have no idea what that is.
It's like the mango tango, but without the mango, without the tango, and without the grinding thingy. But we are destroying some kind of vegetable. Although I doubt this grows out of trees.
Oh, we didn't chop all of this? Okay.
This was probably running around and someone caught it and killed it.
You gotta
That
chop
is so
the rest
sad.
of this too. What? You gotta chop the rest of this.
I can do only one thing at a time because I'm a professional coach. If you want more, Sasha, don't stand awkwardly on the back. You are on TV right now. Okay, so secret. Just get someone to do it for you. Caleb, there's a task for you. You have to grind this or whatever it is.
You only value me for my grinding skills?
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
I know that we've danced together a few times, Maxie, but there's so much more to me.
Don't talk about that in public. No, you're on TV.
I'm on
Okay.
TV?
Go. And that's the end. Bye, friends.